Top secrets that millionaires won't share with you. Stick around because the last one's inside and you don't want to miss it. Get some passive income, start an e-com business, get a Lambo, and then buy some Bitcoin. Yeah. That's what every millionaire tells you to do. But what are the secrets that millionaires are actually hiding behind the scenes? Well, let's go deeper on these. So first of all, here's the cool thing. Everyone should love this. Secret number one is that you do not have to be smart to be a millionaire. In fact, some of my friends are not that smart and make a lot of money. In fact, I know a lot of dumb millionaires. So how the heck, I know you're thinking this, how can a dumb person make a lot of money? And the answer is they follow instructions. In fact, a lot of smart people I know struggle with making money because they get told the instructions and then they think, I know how to do it better. And then they end up spinning their wheels. They get off on detours. No. So if you actually go to some of my dumb millionaire friends and you say, hey, listen, how did you do this? Oh, well, I hired a coach and they told me to do this, and this, and I did this, and this. They followed the exact plan. Listen, making money is not easy, but it is simple. Just like climbing Mount Everest, it's not easy, but it is simple. You don't have to invent your own path up to the top of Everest. No, every single person who climbs Mount Everest follows a path that was set out by the people who went before them. Nobody makes it up as they go along. And it's the same with business. All you have to do is follow the right plan. First of all, you find the hungry marketplace, you create a killer offer for them, and then you spend a lot of time selling. It's simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. Trust me. It doesn't matter how smart you are. It doesn't matter if you have a college degree. It doesn't matter if you're a high school dropout. I know millionaires in every single aspect of life, and you can be one too. Okay, here's another one, something that a lot of millionaires do say that ticks me off, that you gotta grind and hustle to get there. And that's not true at all. Working more hours does not mean making more money. Let me say that again. Working more hours does not mean making more money. Working in the business, doing all this stuff doesn't mean that you're gonna become a millionaire. Listen, the people that own McDonald's don't cook the hamburgers. So it's not about working more the hours. Now, if you were brought up like me, you might have these golden handcuffs on you that are brought on by our parents' mindset that if you wanna make money, you gotta get a job and work and save. But no, that's not actually how entrepreneurship works. You gotta shed yourself of the golden handcuffs and realize that there is a disconnect between the amount of time that you spend working in the business and the amount of money that you make. So you have to extract yourself and actually spend more time thinking. Now, it doesn't look good on millionaires to see them just sitting around like this with their feet up on their desk and then try and convince hardworking factory people that, yeah, we're making money, because it wouldn't go over very well. But the fact is, most millionaires make it up here, and it doesn't have to be done right here. So you can move yourself away from the desk, go for a walk, spend some time thinking in your hot tub or pool, and yeah, that's actually where millionaires make a lot of money. It's just not politically correct, but I'll tell you one thing. All I'm gonna do is give you the truth. Speaking of truth, this one's a hard one. You see, making money is like riding a spin bike. If you've ever jumped on a spin bike and somebody left that tension turned up really high, you know how hard it is to grind out those first couple of cycles. And that's the way it is when you're making money. It will be difficult at first until you get that flywheel going, and then it actually becomes easier. So yeah, the old phrase that making your first million is the hardest tends to be true, because by the time you get up there, you've built these skills that make future money making easier, and you've built this massive network of amazing people who bring you opportunities. So if you're just willing to spin it out at first, then you're going to be able to be on the fast track to success. Don't give up. Don't give up. That's so key. Every single millionaire might not admit it, but they went through hard times where they thought about giving up. And the only thing that separates them from most other people, again, it's not being smart, it's being persistent. I love this next one, even though it goes against everything that your grandma ever told you, but money can buy happiness. You see, money to the wealthy is actually just a tool. It's a tool much like having a shovel in your garage. And so you can use money to get your family to freedom. For example, one of my clients lives in Croatia, and they just had a major earthquake there. He was the only guy rich enough to take and move his family away from harm off to the coast where they were able to ride out the storm at a nice resort. Listen, I'm sorry, if you don't have money, you're gonna have a whole lot more struggles. The old phrase, more money, more problems, forget about it. More money gets rid of more problems. That's the truth, okay? Most millionaires won't tell you about it because they don't wanna seem different than you, but I tell you what, money can certainly help buy happiness. Now, when it comes to making money, we've all seen all these cool videos about people working until late at night, being the night owl, super cool, but listen, that's not how it works. Money is made early in the morning. Money is made by the millionaires with massively impactful morning routines. And they're not morning routines that involve yoga, meditation, interpretive dance, all of these things that totally distract you. They're a perverse form of procrastination. In fact, most millionaires kind of chuckle because all those people going to yoga or going to work out or going and watching motivational videos on YouTube, I'm going to leave them behind because the money is made in your magic time in the morning. And most millionaires are happy to keep that secret to themselves. But I want to share it with you because, I created this thing called the Millionaire Morning Routine. And if you have it, you'll get more done, make more money, and be more productive and happier all day long. It's another secret, another truth that I'm willing to bring out and share with you. Now, allow me to get a little woo-woo on you, all right? In this next one, you're going to say, this one sounds a little soft, but I tell you what, this might be the most important one of all. Money doesn't change you. You've all heard that from the people that don't like money or say that money is evil. No, money doesn't change you. The only thing about money is that money requires you to change in order for you to get it. You see, there's a great philosopher in the business world named Jim Rohn, and he said, don't become a millionaire for the money. Become a millionaire for the person that you have to become in order to make $1 million. And I love that phrase because the person who makes $1 million has to be very efficient with their time. They have to be very open to advice. They have to be very generous with opportunity to other people. Because what I'm about to share with you in the final secret, it's tucked away in here, is going to show you that you can't make money on your own. And here's the final secret. There are no self-made millionaires. Listen, every single person who made money had somebody helping them along the way. So yeah, it sounds cool to say, yeah, I'm a self-made millionaire, but millionaires are only saying that to sound cool and to take all the credit. But the truth is, they built a team, they had a coach and a mentor, and of course, they had great customers like you along the way. So there are no self-made millionaires. And you need to understand that, because if you are going through trying to build your business on your own as a lone wolf, well, listen, you're going to be hungry for a long time, because lone wolves don't get that far in nature and they don't get that far in business. So I'm sorry, I had to tell you the truth, but I'm politically incorrect. No holds barred, no secrets left unturned and untold. That's the secret about becoming a millionaire. Everything you need to know that hasn't been told to you before in some other cheesy video. There are no self-made millionaires. And what that means is it's time for you to go and ask for help, get the help you need, get the blueprint you need so that you can go out there. And again, it doesn't matter if you're a rocket surgeon, you can become a millionaire. You don't have to be the sharpest tool in the shed or the coolest secret in the box. You just have to go and do what your coach tells you. Now listen, if you want my help to become my next millionaire student, just go to craigballantyne.com/apply, fill out the form, and we'll see if it's a good fit for you to become a millionaire. Now, what I want you to do next is watch another video and we'll dive deeper into more secrets of building that $1 million lifestyle.